The candles are lit, the party's on. Today's your day, so let's sing along. You're the heart of our home, you shine so bright. It's your special day, Mom, you're our light.
To our mama baby, today we celebrate not only your birthday, but also the wonderful life you have lived and the countless lives you have touched with your love, kindness, and strength. For 70 years, you have been a source of comfort, wisdom, and inspiration to our family. Thank you for the sacrifices you made to keep our family together, for every lesson you taught, and every moment of unconditional love you gave us. You have been our safe place, our greatest teacher, and our strongest foundation. No words can truly express how much you mean to us, and how thankful we are to be blessed with you as our mother, as a wife, and a Lola to your grandchildren. Your warmth, grace, and caring heart continue to guide us every day. May God bless you with good health, happiness, peace, and many more beautiful years surrounded by the people who love you. We cherish every memory with you and look forward to creating many more. Happy 70th birthday, Mom. Thank you for being the heart of our family. We love you beyond words, today and always.
Hi! Happy birthday, Dambe! Happy birthday, Mau! Surprise! Sana po may surprise ka, Ma. Sana pasayada ka po ngayon yung birthday mo. Happy 70th birthday, Ma. Salamat po kineganaga ng meging sakripisyo mo at gawa mo para kay pamilya mo at kineganaga na papunggawan mo. Wish me po kaya ka. Sana po lalo yan pang kumapa yung biye mo, bang kanina mas malambat na ka pumakayabe. Good health, less pa bebe. Dakal pong salamat kayong pamanan ng tape yung pukin. Kaya kami magkakapatad. Hanggaman pukin mika kanya-kanya kami pong pamilya. Kaya kayo po magpabaya bilang pengari, bilang inda. Dakal pong salamat, Ma. Mingan po kalimuan ng ganaganang gewayo po. Lalong-lalo na po kayong pamilya ko, yung pamanang tabe mo po pang igon, yung ala kami pa po Gerald Ken Pilipinas, yung atyo kami pa po Ken Dubai. At dakal salamat, Ma. Kaluguran na ka po. Mo po sana kakalingwan yan. Go?
Happy birthday, Ma. Enjoy your 70th birthday. So, iningat po lagi.
We love you. We love you, Ma. Happy
Bye-bye
birthday.
po.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy Jollibee birthday party. Love
Bye-bye
you, Ma.
po.
Hello po, Lola. Happy 70th birthday po. I hope that you will have a great birthday today, and I hope that you will always stay healthy forever. And thank you for the things that you have done to me when I was a little kid po. I love you po, Lola. Miss you po. See you soon.
Siyempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ang favorite line ni Inigo. 1, 2, 3. Bekenewen! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! We love you!
Love you po,
Happy
Lola.
birthday!
Hello, Sisi! Sisi maganda! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Uy, see you soon! Sana malawas ito na para palabatan ng kakit. Ha? Uy, nagwa mo na sa binti sige. Malapit na yung birthday mo. Malapit na rin kung matutuloy yung pag-uwi mo. Yung pasalubong ko, Mas kaya mo. Magkano ang buri ko? Bahala ka. sana yung pangarap mong Siyempre, sabi mo, sana ako ang edad na, yung edad ng mana. O sana tamo mo kanya mo naman. Ha? O, sige. Magandang sisi. Regalo ko. Regalo mo. O, yung birthday ko, nakaregalo niya yung birthday mo. O, sige, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Diante, Marlon, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? O, bye-bye. Happy birthday again, Sisi. I love you.
Be, happy birthday! Yung ba yung ba't mo kaya katakaswa? Na? Maswa ka pa. Maswa ka pa. Kagala ko yung lupa. Limingan na kayo mo yan. Huwag mo sa'yo pala kaya balagdas. Na?
Hi, Dar! Happy birthday! Wish ko palagi sa'yo and pray good health, long life, enjoy lang. At saka mag-iingat palagi. God bless!
Hello, Dar. Happy birthday. Ino patuloy na kangingatan ng Pompat na Bayan at Binan na Kalasigan na. At nakal pang birthday, hindi kaya kang pag-celebrate. God bless kaya ka.
Happy birthday. Happy face.
Happy birthday!
You know.
O, istorya yung mga mo talaga.
Happy
Ganun
birthday.
siya mo rin yan. Dar, happy birthday. Yan naman siya, sabi ko sa Tamo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dara. Long time no see. Ito, reunited kami dito. Good health and long life.
Happy birthday.
God bless!
I love you.
Hello, Ate Be! Happy birthday! Sana maging masaya yung birthday mo. Sana masaya ka kayong birthday mo at sana marami pang birthday yung datangke ka. And happy birthday! Thank you!
Hello po, Lola Ganda. Happy birthday po. Mimingat kayo po lagi, Ken. And wish you good health and long life. Ingat po.
Hi, Ate Baby. Happy birthday to you. Wow, it's a blessing na 70 years old ka na. Partida yan, ate, ha? Bihira makarating ng 70. God bless you. More blessing comes to you. Stay strong in the road always. Be safe and healthy. Love you.
Happy birthday! Wow, 17 ni Mari ko. Yung mabait kong kumare, hindi lang mabait, maganda pa. Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa mga apo natin. Thank you na rin sa pag-assist mo kila Kasan, kay Mike. Lalong-lalo na kay Ethan. Maasahan talaga yung si Mari ko eh. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. And more birthdays to come. God bless.
More power.
Ay, power!
Happy birthday, Lola Madir!
Thank you for being part of our family. We are so lucky to have you, my dear. And always be healthy. And we pray for your long life with us. And stay baby always. Literal na baby. You don't look 70-year-old.
He's a baby.
Yeah.
Yes.
Madir is a baby.
Baby, beautiful!
I love Madir so much.
I wish she's blessed.
Yes!
Papa Jesus will bless you always.
Ways.
My wish is for you to be happy and healthy.
How about you, Lucho?
My wish is you're gonna be so good.
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Love you!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ninang! Happy birthday po! Wish you good health and ingat lagi. At see you soon! Love you! Bye-bye!
Hi, Ma!
Happy birthday!
Lola!
Lola,
Love you! See you!
love you.
Happy birthday, Ma! See you soon in the Philippines. Wait, may babati pa.
Happy birthday!
See you! Mwah!
I am the President and CEO of Edeline's Homemade Nuts Incorporated. I would like to extend my greetings to my kumaring baby, Mars. Happy 70th birthday. Alam niyo po, matagal ko na po siyang kakilala. Kapitbahay ko siya at napaka-thoughtful ng kumare ko. Your thoughtfulness and kindness, hindi ko malilimutan, Mars. I wish that you will continue to help yourself. Sana maging healthy ka palagi. Drink your medicines para habang buhay kasama ka namin. Dito po sa aming baryo, dito sa Santa Rita, bawat umuwi po si kumari ko, may pasalubong po kami lahat ng mga kumari niya. Very, very thoughtful and kind na kapitbahay, kumare, kaibigan. Perfect po siya. Perfect na tao si kumaring baby. And you look so beautiful. Hanggang ngayon, baby ka pa. Ang ganda mo, Mare. Sana wish you mahabang buhay, more birthdays to celebrate para makasama mo ang iyong mga anak na magaganda at mga apo. Palagi ka sanang magdadasal. I know you're a very religious person. At sana palagi kayong magmahala ni kumpare ko para ang buong pamilya ay masaya. Wish you all the best in your life, Mare. Happy 70th birthday.
Hello, Mare! Surprise! Magigilid kami sa iyo ng happy birthday, Mars! Sana sa birthday mo na ito, lalo kang mag-enjoy sa surprise na binigay ng mga bata, ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Lagi kang mag-iingat. Sabi nga, papunta na tayo sa may edad. Pero hindi naman halata, Mars, na nando ka na sa ganong edad. Feeling ko nga para ka lang mga 50 years old. Naksa. Mars, short message lang to ha. Happy birthday. Marie Day, thank you sa opportunity na makagreet kami kay Mami. Kahit malayo kami, sa simpleng pagbati, paibigay namin sa kanya yung ang aming pagbati sa kanya ng happy birthday. Ingat kayo dyan, pare, Mare. Bye!
Hi, Mars. I wish you happy 70th birthday and I wish you all the best. And syempre, good health. And ano pa ba yung sabihan ko? Ag nakako niyang miyabe-beta mo. So, masaya ako para kaya ka at maging resulta na ning pamagsakripisyo para ka rin anak. So, siguro na akong bali sabihan kaya kasi ito na nga nata So, happy blessed birthday talaga kaya ka. Masayang-masaya ako kaya ka at king pamilya.
Happy birthday, Ate Be! Sana po tang muli ka, mag-stay na ako kay ni Koya. Good health and God bless you with your husband, loving husband. Thank you, Ate Be. Happy birthday muli. Bye-bye!
Hello, Ate Baby. Happy birthday. I wish you long life and good health. Sana masaya ka ngayon datang birthday mo. Abe mo la ring apo mo. God bless at lagi kang ingat ka Ken Dubai. Love you.
Hello, Tita Be. Happy 70th birthday. More blessing to come. At huwag mong kakalimutan, inumin yung mga gamot mo para humaba pang buhay mo. Para magampanan mo yung mga pag-aalaga sa mga apo mo. Love you!
Surprise! Happy birthday, De! Happy birthday! Happy 70th birthday! Sana maging masaya ka. Hanggang atsuga Ken, balo ko pigtawan na ka naman Ken. Ngeni Kenny, pigtawan na ka King Jollibee. Nung ketang mga latita mo, heta mo meg birthday, hanggang mo man ngening matwata na. Pag birthday ra ka tamo rin anak tamo. Maragul tarugo pa salamat karela hanggang makanyan mo. Era ka tamo kakalingwan. O Yeni, pati bayo, happy birthday! Minyad nergong marika na ako, iniyak balo nung nanunggawang ko. For the first time, ngayon ko pa mo may video makanini eh. Ako dili bala mo murit ko. Oh, sige. Ang ana mo Kenny, happy birthday na mo pasibayo. Kang mamo ne.
The candles are lit, the party's on. Today's your day, so let's sing along. You're the heart of our home, you shine so bright. It's your special day, Mom, you're our light. We're here to celebrate with joy and love. You're a gift from heaven above. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. We're shouting it loud, you're number one. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Mom. Let's make this day as bright as the sun.
From the morning light to the evening sky, we're here to celebrate. No need to ask why. You've given us so much, and now it's yours.